Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we're introducing the BZW-2.5T-FBD double-wire semi-automatic stripping, seal, insertion and crimping machine. Designed for sheath and twisted pair wires, this machine integrates multiple processes into one compact solution. Equipped with line color recognition, stripping detection, and press force monitoring, it enhances efficiency while ensuring consistent quality. The system supports automatic waterproof seal insertion, wire stripping, and double core crimping, with each function independently switchable. Powered by a high-efficiency servo motor, it delivers high-speed stamping with stable crimping force. Infrared sensing is applied for toner feeding and paper tip collection. Multiple processing steps can be executed as needed, allowing flexible operations. When defective samples are detected, it provides real-time alarms and automatic rejection.